Hello, today we're going to be going over how to update your profile in the Chaminade Symplicity Career Services Manager. At this point, your account should already be created and you would have already updated your personal information, academic information, and privacy settings. Let's focus on this profile here. Start by clicking on your name or anywhere within this box. The first thing that you can do is to edit your profile photo. Select a photo from your computer that is a clear headshot of you without a lot in the background and also with you facing forward. This is a professional type photo that would be visible to any employers if you decide to allow them access to see your profile. Otherwise, this is only visible to the administrators on our site. You can also choose to add another image called a cover image. Once you press save, the profile photo is now in this place. For your cover image, we recommend that you use something that signifies you. I'll be uploading a picture of Chaminade Henry Hall. Move this icon up or down to select the area that you want to show in the background of your cover photo. Press save, and the photo itself will begin to upload into this cover image space. Next, you will need to add a personal statement. This gives the organizations and people that you work with an idea of who you are. I'll choose a generic statement about my work at Chaminade. Here I will write undergraduate, studying at Chaminade. If you want to add a little more detail, you can share a career goal. Press save, and now your profile is 16% complete. Your education has already been completed for you, but you can add any certificates or other colleges or universities that you have attended. Next, we want to add a little bit of experience. This would be any work, co-op, internships, and even volunteer work that you have. I am going to pretend that I'm a student athlete. So here I will write Chaminade University of Honolulu, women's basketball, power forward, Honolulu, Hawaii. If you're currently in this position, you can click on I currently work here. Remember to change the start date to the accurate month, and it will automatically click on present when you click on I currently work here. For description, I recommend 1 to 3 sentences describing the work that you do or the position that you hold. Press save, and this will improve your profile completion rate to 33%. Next, you have projects. I recommend that you add any kind of work that shows your skills, including volunteer service. So here I'm going to add a fundraiser. I'll put personal. Let's say that we conducted this in August again, and it only lasted a month. Again, for your description, you want 1 to 2 sentences that describe what it is that you did to make this project happen. Next, you can add your skills, or you can choose to leave this blank. If you did a project where you held a leadership position, I highly recommend that you enter that skill. Here you can see skills will pop up. You can also choose to enter a project image. Here I'm just going to take an image perhaps from a flyer or something related to the actual event itself. Press save, and it won't let me save, so I will go from August to September. You can include any kind of information here. So if you wanted to add a project, maybe a course that you had, if there was a special project that you did where you produced some sort of a graphic, you can include that here. Maybe you want to add your CUH100 infographic as an example. Describe the course. Maybe a little bit more of a description here. Personal or career infographic. You can click ongoing if you'd like. Describe it. Add the image. This is a good way to start building your online portfolio. Notice that adding this project has now brought our profile up to 60% complete. Finally, we want to add some skills and competencies. So you might not think that you have very many skills or competencies, but actually a lot of different skills are available here. So think about everything that you do in terms of your coursework, in terms of your personal life. So for example, I'm going to add babysitting. There it is. I'm also going to add Microsoft Word. So if I click there, you will see Microsoft Word. And why not Excel? Add that in there. Now I'm not an advanced user, and I wouldn't say I'm skilled, but I do know how to use Microsoft Excel. And then let's say I've worked in collecting funds and fundraising. So let's see a fundraisers. And maybe money. Let's see if money is here. Money management, anti-money laundering. That doesn't fit. How about cash? Cash handling. Cash handling. Now I noticed that this had a typo, so you want to make sure you're selecting the best one possible. So now that I've added my skills, I've completed this part of my profile, and I'm 2/3 done. If you want to bring your profile to 100%, you can choose to upload a resume. So again, you would be uploading a new resume, finding it, labeling it. Usually your name and the word resume will work. Press save, and you're done. Now your profile is 83% complete. So if you have another website you want to add or any other documents, you can do so. Ooh, it's asking for another skill. So again, you can continue to build on this. You can delete this statement, write a new one. If you're ready for the world to see it, you can press publish. If you want to share it on Twitter, or if you want to share it to LinkedIn or your Facebook page, you can do that directly from here. If you have any questions about what you should or should not include in your profile, please come to the Office of Retention Advising and Career Preparation. We're more than happy to work with you to figure out what kinds of experience, projects, and skills you can add to this profile. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in our office.